Welcome to Review Rumble. The best King Triton costume is probably one of the most iconic and regal choices for anyone looking to embody the powerful ruler of the seas, offering a majestic presence that commands attention whether you're heading to a costume party, a convention, or even a themed photo shoot, ensuring you'll make a splash with your authentic and impressive portrayal of the legendary trident-wielding monarch. Number 5. Morph Adult King Neptune Trident. Command the ocean depths with this majestic trident. Perfect for any costume party or Halloween event, it's the ultimate accessory for your aquatic ensemble. This impressive trident is designed for comfort and impact. Its sturdy construction ensures it will last through all your royal decrees and underwater adventures. Embrace your role as the ruler of the ocean. This accessory is lightweight yet imposing, making it easy to carry while you make a grand entrance. No sea god costume is complete without the iconic trident. It's the perfect finishing touch to bring your mythical character to life. Whether you're attending a themed party or a cosplay event, this trident is sure to turn heads. Get ready to make a splash with this essential prop. Crafted with attention to detail, this trident offers both durability and visual appeal. Its striking design will make you stand out in any crowd. What we like. This trident prop offers a realistic and durable design, perfect for completing your King Neptune or Devil costume. If you're looking for a high-quality accessory that will stand out and last, this is the one. It's ideal for cosplayers and costume enthusiasts who want an authentic touch. What people say. This costume was excellent quality and very comfortable. Like wearing loungewear. Easy to pack due to light weight. It is made of plastic and it is easy to assemble. Number 4. Amosfun Royal Foam King Crown Headband. Step into a world of fantasy with this regal crown. It's perfect for transforming any occasion into a royal event. Elevate your costume game with this kingly accessory. It's designed for comfort and makes a statement for any cosplay. Add a touch of majesty to your next party or playtime. This crown is a fun favor that kids will love. Crafted from soft foam, this headband ensures a comfortable fit for hours of wear. It's lightweight and easy to put on. Looking for a unique gift? This royal crown is a fantastic choice for birthdays or just because. It's a gift that inspires imagination. Why wait for a special occasion? Bring a sense of grandeur to everyday moments with this impressive headpiece. It's sure to bring smiles. What we like. This crown headband is made from lightweight foam, ensuring a comfortable fit for extended wear. It's a fantastic accessory for parties and cosplay events, adding a royal touch to any outfit. If you need a fun, easy-to-wear crown for boys or a quick party favor, this is a great choice. What people say. The costume is very detailed and looks just like King Triton. The trident accessory is well made and adds to the overall look. The material is comfortable to wear for extended periods. Number 3. The Little Mermaid King Triton Costume Kit. Step into the role of the mighty King Triton with this incredible costume kit. Perfect for any fan of the Little Mermaid, it's time to rule the seas. Command attention with the iconic trident, a symbol of your oceanic power. This essential accessory completes the majestic look. Crafted with attention to detail, this costume captures the essence of King Triton's royal attire. Feel the power and grandeur of the Sea King. Transform yourself into the ruler of Atlantica. This kit provides everything you need to embody the legendary King Triton. Looking for the perfect gift for a Little Mermaid enthusiast? This King Triton costume kit is sure to make a splash. What we like. This costume kit provides everything you need to embody King Triton, offering an easy and complete transformation. It's perfect for themed parties, Halloween, or theatrical performances. If you want to instantly become the iconic ruler of the seas without the hassle of piecing together individual items, this kit is for you. What people say. The costume is well made with attention to detail, especially the trident and crown. The fabric is surprisingly comfortable and breathable, making it suitable for extended wear. The fit was accurate to the sizing chart, and the costume was easy to put on and take off. Number 2. COOFANDY Men's Cotton Linen Henley T-Shirt. Discover the perfect blend of comfort and style with our long-sleeve Henley t-shirt. Crafted from a soft cotton linen blend, it's designed for a relaxed, casual feel. Experience the breathable comfort of its lightweight fabric, ideal for warmer days or layering. This shirt keeps you feeling cool and looking good. Embrace a laid-back, hippie-inspired aesthetic. Its versatile design makes it a great choice for beach outings, casual gatherings, or everyday wear. Featuring a classic Henley neckline, this long-sleeve tee offers a timeless appeal. It's a staple piece that effortlessly elevates your casual wardrobe. Enjoy the premium feel of the cotton linen material against your skin. It provides a comfortable fit that moves with you throughout the day. Whether you're heading to the beach or just relaxing, this t-shirt is your go-to option. It combines ease of wear with a touch of unique style. What we like. Crafted from a breathable cotton linen blend, this shirt offers a relaxed and comfortable fit perfect for warm weather. Its versatile style makes it suitable for casual outings, beach trips, or themed events. If you appreciate a laid-back, bohemian aesthetic and need a comfortable, stylish top for various occasions, consider this option. What people say. The size was perfect fitting. Not too tight nor too loose. You have room to move comfortably. Quality and feel was good, better than usual for this type of product. Pretty nice for the money. Such nice fabric, the pink was spot on, not too light, not too intense. Really great fabric and well made. Super soft. This type of shirt is translucent, so don't be surprised when you can semi-see through it. Its linen keeps you cool in the heat. Number 1. NORTHYARD Men's Athletic Running Pants. Experience ultimate comfort with these incredibly lightweight running pants. Designed for breathability, they keep you cool and dry during any activity. Don't let sweat slow you down. Our advanced quick-dry fabric wicks away moisture rapidly, ensuring you stay comfortable throughout your workout. Perfect for the gym, track, or any active pursuit. These joggers offer a relaxed fit that allows for a full range of motion. Engineered for athletes, these pants provide the support and flexibility you need to perform at your best. Move freely and confidently. Crafted with durable materials, these sweatpants are built to last. Enjoy long-lasting comfort whether you're training or just relaxing. Elevate your activewear collection with these essential track pants. They are the ideal choice for any sport or training session. What we like. These joggers are made with quick-dry, lightweight material designed for optimal athletic performance and comfort. They are ideal for running, gym workouts, or any active sports. If you're an athlete or fitness enthusiast looking for functional and comfortable activewear that keeps you cool and dry, these pants are an excellent selection. What people say. Super lightweight and breathable, I barely feel them during workouts, and they dry fast even after intense sessions. Zippered pockets are a huge plus. I can keep my phone, keys, or earbuds secure during runs or lifting. The tapered fit is athletic but not too tight, great freedom of movement without feeling baggy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.